Welcome back to Timeless Decors. If you love the cozy and rustic charm of farmhouse decor but don't want to spend a fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you simple, stylish, and affordable DIY ideas to transform every room in your home with that beautiful farmhouse look. From the living room to the bathroom, we have you covered. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your favorite farmhouse DIY idea. Let's get started. The living room sets the tone for your farmhouse-style home, and you don't need a big budget to achieve a cozy, rustic look. Start by adding DIY wooden shelves with reclaimed wood for a natural, aged feel. Swap out old throw pillows with covers made from grain sack fabric or burlap. Another great touch is a thrifted coffee table makeover, painted in distressed white or soft gray for that classic farmhouse vibe. Don't forget to accessorize with a cozy throw blanket and a vintage-inspired lantern. Creating a farmhouse-style bedroom is all about soft textures, neutral colors, and vintage charm. Make your own rustic headboard using repurposed wood or an old door. For affordable decor, layer your bed with a white or neutral quilt, then add decorative pillows with farmhouse prints. Hang a DIY wreath made of dried eucalyptus or cotton stems above your bed for a fresh, inviting look. To complete the space, use mason jars as bedside table lamps. Just insert LED string lights for a warm glow. A farmhouse kitchen is all about simple, functional, and beautiful decor. Create your own farmhouse-style open shelving with inexpensive brackets and wood planks, then display white dishes and mason jars for a classic look. DIY a chalkboard menu on an old picture frame for a charming and practical touch. You can also make a budget-friendly centerpiece by placing fresh or faux flowers in a rustic metal pitcher. Don't forget to add a jute rug or woven placemats for that extra farmhouse charm. Even your bathroom can have that cozy farmhouse feel without breaking the bank. Upgrade your mirror with a DIY wooden frame to give it a more rustic touch. Use a ladder shelf for towel storage, it's stylish and practical. Swap out your soap dispensers for mason jar pumps, and place a small galvanized bucket filled with rolled up towels on your counter. Add a farmhouse-style sign with a fun bathroom quote to complete the look. Your entryway is the first thing guests see, so why not make it warm and welcoming with farmhouse charm? Start with a DIY wooden bench. Distressed wood and neutral cushions will instantly create a cozy feel. Hang a rustic coat rack made from an old wooden plank and hooks. Add a woven basket for shoes, and finish the space with the farmhouse-style welcome sign. These simple additions will make your entryway both stylish and functional. Extend your farmhouse decor outdoors by adding rustic elements to your porch or patio. A simple and affordable DIY project is creating a wooden welcome sign using reclaimed wood and stencil paint. Use galvanized planters for seasonal flowers, and hang a budget-friendly farmhouse wreath on your front door. A rocking chair or a wooden bench with plaid cushions can also add that cozy farmhouse charm. Farmhouse wall decor is all about vintage-inspired, simple, and meaningful pieces. Try a DIY wooden frame gallery wall with family photos or inspirational quotes. Use an old window frame as decor, or hang a large rustic clock to make a statement. Another budget-friendly idea is creating a wall shelf using corbels and repurposed wood, perfect for displaying farmhouse trinkets. These projects bring warmth and personality to any room. You don't have to spend a lot to achieve a farmhouse look. Visit thrift stores, flea markets, and garage sales to find hidden gems like old wooden crates, vintage picture frames, and rustic baskets. Dollar stores also carry farmhouse-style items like jute placemats and wooden signs that you can DIY into something unique. Upcycling and repurposing items you already have is another great way to decorate on a budget. And that's a wrap on our budget-friendly farmhouse decor ideas. With these simple DIYs, you can bring warmth, charm, and rustic beauty into every room without overspending. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Decors, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.